I stand before you to share my proudest accomplishments as the 15th President of the United States. Join me on this journey through my presidency as I reflect on the defining moments of my time in office. Firstly, I prioritized national unity during a time of growing tension over slavery. My efforts to maintain the status quo and avoid conflict between North and South were aimed at preserving the Union for as long as possible. Secondly, I believed in the importance of diplomacy and negotiated treaties that expanded our nation's influence. The Gadsden Purchase and the treaties with Central American nations exemplify my commitment to international relations. Thirdly, I signed into law the Morrill Tariff Act, promoting economic protectionism to benefit American industries and raise revenue for the government. Fourthly, I supported the exploration and development of the American West, recognizing the importance of expansion and progress in building a stronger nation. Lastly, I established the Department of Agriculture, envisioning an agency that would foster advancements in farming and support American agriculture. As I reflect upon my presidency, I recognize the challenges and controversies that surrounded my time in office. While not without its difficulties, my tenure was one of dedication to the betterment of the United States. May we remember history's lessons as we strive for a more perfect union, united in the pursuit of liberty, justice, and progress for all Americans.